was closing in. I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light. No.
Welcome to Wicked Gingerbread. Hopefully it's welcome back if you've watched my videos before. Welcome back to the Wicked Gingerbread family. This is part 2 of my what to do with produce. Just a little mini series. I think I'm going to do about 3 episodes. Comment down below if you'd like to see more, because I have lots of ideas with what to do with produce. But I don't know if it's something that interests you. Please let me know. Today I am so excited. So this is a dinner. I had some leftover cauliflower, heads of cauliflower. And so I started to think, what could I do that's kind of outside the box? I am making cauliflower Parmesan spaghetti. So this is going to kind of act, if you're doing like meatless Mondays, this is great. Or if you just like cauliflower. It's so inexpensive, it's so healthy, and you roast them up and you can do almost anything with them. So what you're going to need, you could cut this in half. I usually, if I get all the ingredients out, I am making enough for leftovers because these should freeze up pretty good. So there's 3 things that you're going to have going. You're going to be roasting the cauliflower. I already have some salt water boiling, getting ready for the pasta. I'm going to try to make about 6 servings out of this. And I'm using about 10 ounces of dry pasta. I'm going to put some salt-free canned organic tomatoes in there, about a 28-ounce jar. I love this. It's from Whole Foods. I've tried to use organic until the new EWG list comes out with the Dirty Dozen. Tomatoes are still a factor. So I use organic fat-free marinara. I'm going to use the whole jar. Also, I'm going to use part skim mozzarella and some grated Parmesan. But the first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and get your water for the pasta boiling away. And then I need to get the cauliflower steaks in the oven. These are going to go.
I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries but always had plans. The only thing I did was take out the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh. Hard to get up and not work on my craft. I need inspiration. Don't need no validation. No more medication. Just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me. Feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to know.
Okay, we're going to roast this at 425 for 20 minutes. Okay, so these have baked for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to just put the Parmesan cheese on. I have about a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to use about 2 cups of mozzarella, but that's going to be after we bake this for about another 15-20 minutes. Just keep your eye on it. Make sure that the cheese doesn't burn. Make sure the cauliflower doesn't burn. And then this is a really good time to go ahead and start your marinara sauce. I'm just simply going to warm it up a little. You could put mushrooms in your sauce. Again, for my sauce, I'm just going to use fat-free organic with some tomatoes. So back in the oven, 425. Check it in about 10 minutes. It might cook for about 20. Okay, and then So at this point, I'm just going to put my pasta sauce. I cooked a jar of the tomatoes with the spaghetti sauce. So now I'm just going to drizzle some on the cauliflower. Okay, and now for it's about 1.5 cups of part skim mozzarella. Okay, back into the oven, still 425 for about 10 minutes. Just keep your eye on it. We don't want this to get too burnt. Okay, so in the meantime, I divided up 6 equal portions of the spaghetti and the sauce, and I just pulled this out of the oven, baked for about another 7 minutes. You could also put it under the broiler. So I'm going to divide this into the 6 portions. And then one last thing, I have some fresh basil, so I'm just going to put some fresh basil on each one of these. I even include the stems. So that gives us 2 for dinner and 4 leftovers, either for dinner another night or lunch. Parmesan cauliflower spaghetti. Give it a try for dinner. Don't be afraid to experiment with your produce. Cauliflower, it's what's for dinner. I can't wait to dig into this. So thank you for joining me. Thanks for watching this episode of series episode 2 out of 3 for the what to do with your produce. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Take care of yourself and each other. Take care of yourself.